And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Let's check in with KATK meteorologist John Adams. John, it was pretty cloudy this morning. I saw rain on the ground. So are we going to get any more storms this afternoon?
Yeah, we're in the process of watching some to the west of us that are going to be developing. So yeah, we're still in this pattern where we are seeing these storms about every 3 or 4 days. But this time around, we've got like 4 days in a row starting yesterday where we expect to see these storms. As we look over Tyler and see the cloudy skies, it's 79 degrees, so we're already building up plenty of warmth in the area, and that is going to continue. And we have a south-southeast wind with the relative humidity at 79%, so still plenty of moisture available in the air. Right now, as you can see across Texas, we do have this line of showers be developing just to our west between I-35 and I-45. It is headed eastward toward East Texas. We got storms stronger to the north there in Oklahoma and also up into Arkansas, moving away from the area. But right now we're seeing showers and occasionally some thunder coming out of some of those as that line continues to develop in the East Texas area. We've got a few showers that have developed in our western counties, a little bit of activity there in the southern part of Rusk County. Nothing severe, nothing even approaching severe at this point, but early this afternoon that could all change in the area. Here's what Futurecast shows as the showers will be developing. The front is to the north, so anything to the south is going to be in the very moist air mass where there's plenty of fuel for these thunderstorms to develop and perhaps rotate. As we go into the early part of the afternoon, the model just increases the showers and thunderstorms in the area. They move off toward the northeast. Of course, you're aware we did have tornado warnings yesterday evening back up in the northeast corner of the state, and it looks like those thunderstorms will be heading in that direction again. Certainly a good chance they'll be producing some large hail and some damaging wind gusts, even if they do not produce a tornado, but that cannot be ruled out. As we go on into the latter part of the afternoon, much of that activity headed toward that northeast corner of our area and northwestern Louisiana, where it's still showing a hail core on some of those storms. Then we get more developing back to the southwest during the evening, and those will also continue to move off toward the northeast. Around 8 o'clock, the model says there'll be a pretty strong storm there near the Jacksonville vicinity, producing some hail. So keep an eye on the weather this evening as we have this chance for more thunderstorms developing across our East Texas area through the night. Now we do get a little bit of a rest overnight. We'll go to cloudy skies early on Friday morning. Severe outlook shows a slight risk for much of East Texas with an enhanced risk for that northeast corner of our area as we go on through the early morning hours on Friday. 7-day forecast, showers and thunderstorms will be continuing through the weekend. A potential that some of those could be severe, should be decreasing and finally ending Saturday night with a good start to next week, as we'll have more sunshine, cooler temperatures as the weather begins to settle down. Deep East Texas, very similar conditions for you as well as the rain ends for you Saturday night. Go to our website anytime at KATK.com to find that forecast.
John, thank you. For the first time in more